Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. We asked a doctor if it's better to get turmeric from food or supplements. Using turmeric in cooking may be better than taking turmeric supplements for absorbing the active compound curcumin. The body absorbs curcumin from whole turmeric more effectively than isolated curcumin supplements. There is also a synergistic effect when eating turmeric with other foods. Turmeric supplements can cause gastrointestinal issues and potentially negatively impact the kidneys and liver in high doses. To get the most benefits from turmeric, add it to meals along with black pepper and healthy fats, which enhance curcumin absorption. Turmeric may help with inflammation, but it's not a cure. Addressing underlying lifestyle factors is important. Turmeric can interact with certain medications, so it's best to consult a healthcare provider before significantly increasing intake, especially for pregnant women or those at risk of kidney stones. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.